No.
YouTube, how you doing? It's your boy Armani here, another video for you guys. And as you can tell, the account balance went up again. We made around 200 and something dollars, 220, 230, something around there. I'll show you in a little bit. But let's start off by saying I'm sorry. I know I was supposed to go full blast on trading last week, this week. But I have a lot of stuff I got going on, guys. I have an Amazon dropshipping course coming out. I have my Amazon stores I have to manage. I have Airbnb I have to worry about. I have Keller Investments taxes, which is a crap show. I have so much stuff I need to get done. And this is honestly not a priority right now. Eventually I'll put more time into it. We could have bigger balances, bigger jumps. But I need you guys to put something into perspective right quick. I'm up 15% on the account so far. Think about that. I've been trading maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe 3 hours a week. And last week I didn't trade at all. And I'm up 15% on the account. So let's look at the account history. I had one trade last week. As you know, I used pending. So this is technically one trade because it's one idea. So Euro USD, it was a sale. I made profit, and I got one that hit stop losses. This one that hit stop loss, I would have made over $300-400 this week. So, guys, and I'm doing this a couple hours a day. So I made 15%. And for a lack of better words, half-assing this. Can you get 15% from a bank? No. Can you get 15% from a hedge fund? Most likely. No. Can you get 15% from a CD? No. And I'm doing this not even 100%. So that shows you got to put this into perspective. 15% is a lot of money. I mean, a lot in general. So I have accounts that have multiple millions in them. And when I'm up 15-20%, that is a lot of money. So if you're at a point in your trading when you trading $100 accounts and you have $15, keep that same energy and keep it going. Because all you gotta do is once you find something that you're comfortable with, your strategy that you're comfortable with, and you consistently hitting that 15% a month mark, you are a millionaire already. Already. Show that $100 account and you keep going up $15 to an investor. He'll give you money. He'll give you money quick. So you gotta put it into perspective. So when you in the point when you just starting off, guys, Forex never gets harder. It always gets easier. Always gets easier because you see the same patterns all over again. It's the same thing. Forex is the same crap, just different dogs. Same crap, different dogs. If that makes sense. And I'm at a point in my trading, I can go through all these pairs right now. It'd take me literally a minute and a half, and I could find a trade if I wanted to find a trade. If I wanted to stick to my strategy, no, I can't find a trade every single time. But I could see a trade automatically. And that's how you should be in your trading. And I have another question about somebody wanting me. It's like, hey, is there any way we can copy your trades? And the answer to that is no. But I make you a deal. If you guys somehow get me to 1,000 subscribers on the channel and a whole bunch of likes and comments and stuff, I'll do 2 weeks. I have some way where you can copy this account. So whatever trades I take, it'll copy into your account. You can put your stop loss. Put your lot size that you want, and whatever money I make for that week, you'll make. I rarely lose weeks, guys. I don't remember the last time I lost a month. So with that being said, stay trading, stay focused. You can really do this, guys. I have 15% this month alone. Last month now, but last month. And that's me trading an hour or two a week. And all I ask is for you guys to like, subscribe, and that's about it. I'm doing this for free, guys. I'm actually losing money doing this. $200 to me is nothing. I make way more than that in an hour with my other businesses. I make nothing for doing this video. I make nothing for helping you guys out. And I'm doing this really for you. That's all. So the least you can do is like, subscribe, and all people that have been liking and subscribing, thank you. All the people that saying, hey, keep doing it. I'm really watching these videos. Thank you, because I wouldn't do them other than that, because it's wasting my time at this point. But it's not a waste of my time when I'm helping you guys out and giving you guys like a real example of what a real trader is. Not a marketer, not somebody that's out here showing cards and all that stuff and selling you courses. No, I am a real trader. And if anybody want, you can put me against anybody, I can murder them. I will murder them in trading because I'm a real trader. I see this. I've been doing this stuff since I was 16. I am 24 now. I am a beast. I know. I'm the one of the best at what I do. And you should feel the same way about your trading. And once you feel that way, you can make unlimited amounts of money, guys. Unlimited. So with that being said, stay trading, stay focused, stay up, stay in profit. Armani, out.